Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. Microsoft has recently started rolling out the latest stable version of the Microsoft PowerToys utility app, which is a set of utilities for power users to tune and streamline your Windows experience for greater productivity. And in this latest release, we have been bumped up from version 49 to version 51. Now, as I have mentioned recently in a previous video, Microsoft has been working on a new mouse highlighter utility, which will make it easier to highlight your mouse activity and your clicks, especially if you are giving a presentation to see basically what's going on. And also in version 51, there are numerous bug fixes, improvements, and add-ons. And also Microsoft has also made mention of a new tool they are working on called Always on Top, which we are hoping to see roll out in an upcoming version of the PowerToys app, which will make it possible to force any window to remain on top of others at all times. Now, if we just head over to mouse utilities, where we see the new mouse highlighter utility, which has been added in this latest version update. Now, as I say, it highlights your mouse clicks, especially useful in presentations as mentioned, and you obviously have to make sure the feature is toggled on. And then you have your activation shortcut, which is a combination of the Windows Shift and H key, and you can also edit that to any combination of your choice. And then you get your appearance and behavior. Your left button highlight color, you can make that a color of your choice. Your right button highlight color, you can also make that a color of your choice. You can adjust the opacity, radius, fade delay, and fade duration. Now, as an example, just to demonstrate, I'm going to go Windows Shift H. That activates the shortcut. And now when I right click, you will see the yellow highlighted circle around my mouse pointer. And when I left click, you get the idea. You will see the blue highlighted circle around my mouse pointer. And I think this will be handy just to see what's going on in presentations as an example. And then just to turn the feature off, I'm just going to go back to Windows Shift and H, and that will deactivate that shortcut. Now, if we just head back to the home page, if you would like to see if you have the update, if you are already running PowerToys, you can just check for updates, and that will automatically update you to the latest version. And PowerToys is available for both Windows 10 and 11, and it's also available through the Microsoft Store in both Windows 10 and 11 as well. Now, if you'd like to see what's new in this latest release, you can just head over and click on the release notes, which will redirect you to your browser where you can see release version 0.51.0. And I have discussed the new mouse utilities, always on top. And then you get your change log and the different bug fixes and improvements and add-ons to most of the utilities found in the PowerToys app. You get changes to the Awake tool, color picker, fancy zones, image resizer, mouse utilities, as I have mentioned. This is just a GIF to demonstrate what I showed you just now. Power rename, PowerToys run have all received improvements and fixes, shortcut guide, and so on. And even these settings has received a fix to prevent it from opening off screen. Video conference mute, which is also a new feature, has received some minor tweaks for the icon clear button and overlay image selection as well. And then if you'd like to download PowerToys from GitHub, at the bottom here, you can just download the installer file, the .exe file, always mentioned. In Windows 10 and 11, it's also available now through the Microsoft Store. And I will leave a link to this GitHub release notes post down below for you to go check out more in depth if you are interested. So as mentioned, PowerToys version 51 0.51.0 is now rolling out with the new mouse highlighter utility, which is now available in the mouse utilities tool. So I hope you found this video useful. Once again, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.